Hi Chapman families, my name is Heidi Stokes and I teach kindergarten here. I am really looking forward to this 2020 school year and I'm excited to see some familiar faces. I've missed seeing you these last couple months and I'm also excited to meet the new families and students who will be attending our school this year. I am going to be talking to you about our Smart Start plan, and the portion that I'm going to be talking to you about is the portion that addresses students who are learning on site. The first portion of our plan addresses the physical environment. So teachers and administration have been really selective and really intentional with how their classrooms are organized this year. We've gotten rid of some furniture, we've spaced out desks and tables to allow for the most space possible between students. We've also eliminated some things like shared seating, such as beanbags or chairs and book nooks, where students might be sharing their space or seats. We will be using assigned seats as much as possible so that students know where they are. They can keep their area as clean as possible. So that's going to be one of the changes this year. The next thing is that last year when we had to go to online learning, all the teachers at Chapman, they all created Canvas courses. And we are all going to be incorporating these Canvas courses into our classes day one. So students will be accessing some of their schoolwork assignments on Canvas. They might also be turning some of those assignments in. This is going to be excellent so that for the bridge between home and school, because the things and projects that they're working on at school, they will also be able to access at home. And parents can get on to see what their kids are doing. So families and parents, they will be supplied with the Canvas logins for their students so that they can get on and access that information and communicate with staff as needed via Canvas. The last portion of our Smart Start plan for students who are attending in person or on site is that students at risk, even during times of red, they can still attend in person. So those students who are identified as at-risk students are preschool students, students who attend kindergarten, and those students who require special services through our special education department. So even if our local community is observing a level red risk level, those students that I just identified, they will still be allowed to come to school in person. If you have any questions about the information that I just covered, please feel free to contact the office or refer to our Smart Start document. And I just want, last of all, to wish you all good luck and a happy school year this year. I know that flexibility and understanding has been the name of the game lately, and it'll continue to be as teachers are rising to the occasion for the challenge of meeting students' needs remotely and in person. Anyway, look forward to seeing you. Bye!